Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best home rowing machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Sunny Rowing Machine. The hydraulic resistance system creates a smooth and quiet row throughout 12 total levels of resistance. The smooth glide seat and 12 levels of hydraulic resistance will allow you to complete a quiet and enduring ride, while working your full body, increasing your cardiovascular fitness and burning calories. The pivoting foot pedals with foot straps are great for beginners, or those with tight muscles, as they open your range of motion. That's allowing you to achieve the safest posture throughout each phase of your row. This compact design makes it easy to store. You can track your fitness progress with a digital monitor that displays time count, total count, calories and scan. At number 5 we have Stamina Rowing Machine. It is perfect for the fit focus to have more motivation than workout space. The Stamina BodyTrac Glider is the compact portable rowing machine that fits into any area, and easily stands on end for storing between workouts. The BodyTrac Glider features full range of motion rowing arms. It is to allow a natural rowing movement, optimizing the proven benefits rowing provides the entire body. Because rowing is an incredibly efficient low-impact aerobic exercise that naturally targets major muscle groups. At number 4 we have Lanos Rowing Machine. The unique design allows for a full-body effective workout for every major muscle group, including back, legs, arms, abs and glutes. This rowing is also widely known to aid in improving cardiovascular health and burning calories. This manually adjusts the tension with a control knob, so you can easily customize your workout to fit your needs. You can use the unique armbar angles to exercise your chest, shoulder and arm muscles. The steel frame can withstand a maximum user weight of 250 pounds. It is easy to read. LCD monitor displays time, row count and calories burned. The scan function scrolls through workout metrics every 6 seconds. Also, pivoting foot plates with safety straps comes with 2 strap positions, will secure any size feet. At number 3 we have Snow Rowing Machine. The adjustable pedal is suitable for different feet, whether you are big feet or small feet, whether you are a man or a woman. And its straps have good stability. It will be safer during exercise. The whole iron frame is really durable and sturdy to keep you work out safely without any worry. Its transportation and storage are made easy with simple transportation wheels and a unique foldable slide rail. This foldable design makes for easy storage. It is perfect for home gyms or small spaces. The large LCD monitor accurately displays your rowing intensity and time, speed, calories, distance and heart rate. Also, the angle is adjustable. At number 2 we have Fitness Rowing Machine. You can enjoy your workout at the comfort of your home with Fitness Reality 4000 Mr. Magnetic Rower with 15 workout programs. It featuring 10 preset workout programs, 5 customizable programs, chain-driven dual transmission mechanism. Also in 16 levels of magnetic tension resistance. The Fitness Reality 4000 Mr. Rower can support up to 300 pounds weight capacity. The dual independent rowing handles allows for a full range of rowing motion for a maximum workout. It also comes with the backlit 5 LCD large contoured cushion seat, 38 slide rail and 3 workout goal settings, etc. At number 1 we have YOSUDA Rowing Machine. The easy-to-read LCD monitor clearly displays exactly rowing distance, time count, total count and calories data. This non-slip texture and adjustable straps can ensure your safety. The large foot pedals can fit nearly any shoe size. You can enjoy videos or music when you are rowing with iPad holder. The monitor screen won't be blocked with the unique design. This rowing machines are made of heavy-duty commercial quality steel, which is very sturdy and durable. The 49.2-inch slide length fits almost all users. The ergonomic seat is very comfortable and soft. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best home rowing machines for your need.